Hi, David Campanile here, owner of Campanile Law, located in the great state of New Jersey. As always, if you'd like to chat with me, we do estate planning and probate. As always, if you'd like to chat, head over to njestateattorney.com, send me a message, and we'll schedule your 45-minute strategy session. So, yes, this past weekend is one of the, in my opinion, greatest sports weekends of the year. It was March Madness, and it still is March Madness. Can you believe what's going on? So, as I was sitting on the couch, absorbing as much college basketball as I humanly could, I started to think about, how can I talk to people about estate planning in a little bit more of a sports way? Just trying to draw the bridge there. So, I thought about it, and follow my logic here. I look at these big schools. Gonzaga, yes, they're in the West Coast Conference, but, I consider them a major school, even though they play in a mid-major conference. But let's look at schools like, you pick. Florida State, Syracuse, you name them. They're there, the big boys. They're in the Power 5 conferences, Power 6. And these schools do their estate planning. They have everything right. They know what they're doing. Their system works. They achieve their goals. They're changing. They make their changes when new talent comes in every year to accommodate that talent. Just like an estate plan. We make an estate plan now. We could change it next year. We could change it in 2 years. We could be changing it in 3 months. Everything is dependent on the client. And then you have your smaller schools, like your mid-major schools, that have the one bid in, and that's winning the conference tournament. And look, they did something right once, and it worked for them. They got there. And I kind of look at those mid-majors kind of as the people that sidestep estate planning or try to take the cheaper way out. You can go to a LegalZoom, a Rocket Lawyer. You can go to a very cheap estate planning attorney or a very cheap general practitioner who's going to draft your documents and send you off into the world. No, they don't circle back with you. They're not talking to you or reaching out saying, hey, let's sit down and do another 45-minute session. It's been 2 years since you've done this plan. Stuff like that. They've kind of just thrown you to the world. And, well, if your plan works, that's fantastic. If your plan doesn't work, well, sorry. Not my fault. It's going to cost you a lot of money to get out. So I was kind of thinking about that, and it's like, I get it. I understand people don't have the resources, but estate planning is a necessity. And it's something that shouldn't be overlooked unless you like the laws or the statutes for the rules of intestacy that the state have created. Then by all means, you don't need the estate plan, and you can be a mid-major and just go out into the world. But 9 times out of 10, you want to be with the attorney that works in estate planning, that understands the intricacies, sits down, goes through your goals, and is able to accomplish those goals, because those goals change too, just like an estate plan changes. So enjoy the March Madness. I'll be doing my best to peek in here and there over today and the rest of the week. Back on Thursday or Friday again. I don't know. But yeah, estate planning is like March Madness. Sometimes those plans that we can get for, I don't even know the cost, on documents that you can prepare yourself, get notarized, they'll work once in a while, not saying they work all the time. Or And if it works, fantastic. But you honestly won't know if it worked because you won't be around to see if it worked or not. As always, I'm David Campanile, owner of Campanile Law, located in the fantastic great state of New Jersey. We handle estate planning and probate. If you'd like to do a 45-minute free strategy session with me, contact me at njestateattorney.com. If you found this video helpful or informative, please like our video, like this video, like our page on Facebook, subscribe to our YouTube page, a thumbs up on YouTube for our video. And if you think this video can help someone that's going through the estate planning process or thinking about it, send it over to them, share it. Just say, hey, I was thinking about you. As always, have a great day.